1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hi! Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I painted my face like this today, and if you want to know how to paint your face like this, then you keep watching. You're welcome. Let's get started. To start off, I'm gonna prime my eyelids using this Ulta Beauty Matte Nude Primer Ice Bath. To start off, I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be using, oh my freaking god, I'm gonna be using the shade Daddy. It's this green right there, right there. I'm gonna pack that all up and through my crease, you know, yeah. Don't be doing nothing with it just yet. Just pack it on. My little filet mignon with a little fat around the edges. I like that. For on top of that, to diffuse it, I'm gonna be going in the same palette and using the shade Social Blade. It's that lime green color. And using a clean blending brush, I'm gonna just go and blend. Or I thought this was clean, maybe not. I'll blend those two colors together real good. Now going into my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna be using this really pretty Jada. Now going into this dark green shade, it's called Enchanted. I'm gonna use that to darken up the outer corners. Now I'm just cutting the crease, and I'm hoping that things go well, because if they don't, I just might cry. I just might drop out of school too and just be a stripper. And my name shall be Mama Cupcake. Now I feel real fancy because of what I just did. Going back into my James Charles palette, I'm gonna use the white shade. It's called Flashback, and pack that on where I cut the crease at. I messed up on this eye. I'm praying that I'm able to fix it and that I don't just ruin this. So I'm gonna take a black eyeliner and outline the bottom of that whatever it is that I just did on my eye. Okay, that was real creative what I just did, and I have no idea what I just did. Great, so I'm gonna give myself a winged eyeliner. Oh my gosh, yo, I've never done anything like this, and I like how it turned out. It turned out like pretty kind of cool. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So like, give me like 2.5 seconds, okay? Just hold on. Now that I finished my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower eyelid, and for that I'm gonna be going back into Daddy in my James Charles palette. Now we're gonna switch over to my Now switching back over to my Jaclyn Hill palette and going back into that dark green shade. I'm gonna put that right as close as I can to my waterline. Now for my inner eye corner, I'm gonna go back into my James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be using the shade Ring Light. So now I'm just lining my lips with a brown lip liner pencil, and I'm gonna be using a nude lipstick for this look. And we're done. So this is how the look came out. I'm hoping that you like it. It's definitely not what I was planning for. I was gonna do a holiday makeup tutorial, and then this happened. Like I don't. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry. But if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, you know, some love, because we love love is great. Follow me on my Instagram. It'll be linked down below, unless of course I forget, in which case it won't be. Until next time, ciao.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.